Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing Bioluminescent Sea Creatures. Choose a design. Place small amounts of paint onto your paint palette. When painting, make sure your brush is clean before you switch colors. Use thin layers of paint and add on if needed. Once you finish painting, allow your sea creature to dry. Then use scissors to cut your creature out. You can leave a white border around or cut at the edge. Turn over and glue down to a sheet of black construction paper. For the last step, grab the small blacklight flashlight and shine it onto your creature. The neon paint will glow underneath the blacklight.